Okay, this video is going to be on installing ffmpeg and compressing your video files in the easiest way I've found. And it's a little scary for some people because it's opening terminal, but it's actually really not that bad. So the first thing you need to do is find terminal on your Mac, and you can go to Go, Applications, there it is, and it's in a folder called Utilities, and then we lastly have Terminal. And so terminal will open a window like this, and this is terminal we use to just type things into our computer rather than using the drag and drop GUI interface that we have. And so the first thing I want you to do is I'll provide this right here, is you're going to cut and paste this into your terminal and press enter. I'm not going to because I already have it done, but this does something called homebrew. It will install. Once that's done installing, right, you'll be kind of back to the beginning here. Whoops, I can't get rid of this stuff. I'm gonna have to erase this stuff real quick. Cut and paste the next thing, and this is what's actually installing the thing that is installing ffmpeg. It's what's going to convert the videos for you. Once you do that, you have to wait a little while for these things. The last thing we're going to do is go into it and make it so it's really easy for you to convert videos with this terminal without typing too much code. So you're going to want to cut and paste the next thing in there, which is this nano, what's that called? Nueve, bash profile. Hit enter, and you'll go into this. This is like a text editor in here. Now I already have it in there, but you're going to cut and paste the next thing, this alias in there, and you're going to save it by hitting control+o, and then control+x will close you out of here. Whoops, you have to actually, after control+o, you have to hit enter one time. If you noticed, I was stuck there, and then control+x. And then you'll be out of that. So I'm going to make sure I put that note there. And now we're done. We have it all set up. What you do the first time you do it, you need to close terminal, because what it needs to do is actually rerun that. So I'm going to go ahead and open terminal back up. And how I would use this is, what I do is I make a new folder on my desktop or wherever, and I call it something like compress. And I save all my videos right in here. And I'm going to go ahead and just type in cd space, and I drag this over in here, and you'll notice it comes up with the path to that folder. I hit enter, and I'm now in that folder. And now if I type MP4 and hit enter, of course I don't have any videos in there, it will just run through all the videos and convert them, and you'll wind up with two files: the original file, which is a .mov file based on the code I put in there, and an MP4, which will be the smaller file that you want to upload. If you need to do something other than .mov, you'll have to change the extension here when you make this alias. And that's it. That's how to make it so you can compress videos so they're very small and a lot faster to upload and use less of your bandwidth capacity.